And I found the easiest YouTube Shorts niche without showing your face or using your voice. Just a few months ago, the internet buzzed with quote and quiz videos, later diving into the black niche, all powered by AI scripts and voices. While this trend has helped many launch new channels effortlessly, it's becoming a crowded space. But what if I told you there's a new, even easier way to go viral with less competition? Today, we're unveiling a groundbreaking approach to creating short videos that don't rely on showing your face, opening doors to success with significantly less effort. Imagine a strategy so simple yet potent that it catapulted an account from 3,000 to a staggering 3 million views. And it's not just theory. Real creators are already harnessing this method to achieve incredible growth. Take this one Instagram account, for example, whose spiritual videos have not only gone viral, but have consistently hit the 1 million view mark, proving that with the right approach, sky's the limit. We're going to adapt these reels into YouTube Shorts. Not convinced yet? Let's talk numbers. By applying this novel method, I've helped students soar from a mere handful of views to over 200,000 Shorts views in just weeks. The secret? Leveraging AI tools in a way no one else did, they carved out a niche that resonated with audiences globally. These success stories aren't anomalies. They're proof that with the right strategy, anyone can achieve viral success on YouTube without traditional content creation barriers. Since becoming a content creator in 2017, I've not only swum with sharks like Matt Parr and Devin Canup, but also learned how to navigate the waters of success, making 6 figures a year. My journey has equipped me with unique insights and strategies, distinct from the crowded echo chamber of content advice. Today, I'm here to share a novel method for crafting viral YouTube Shorts, a technique that remains largely unexplored and promises less competition and higher visibility. Let's get into the process now. While these videos may appear viral and enticing, they're actually quite simple to create. Let's cut to the chase. AI-generated images and how to animate them. Pay close attention. While some may argue that a script or AI voice isn't necessary, especially on other platforms, YouTube is unlikely to monetize videos without a human presence, as they don't view them as transformative. Therefore, we must identify trends, craft prompts, generate high-quality viral images, animate them, and compile all assets into a video with voiceover, music, effects, etc. After extensive testing, I've identified 5 AI tools. All that's left is to replicate, and replicate. So, let me guide you through the simplest way to kickstart your faceless YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page. You can see these immensely popular videos rely on AI-generated images. We'll need top-notch prompts that we can feed into an AI image generator. However, I'm not keen on generating images individually. As you know, I like to save time and determine if this niche can quickly gain traction. Click on my link in the description to use Midjourney, which grants you free access to an AI-generated image library curated by other prompt engineers and also generates prompts based on images from other accounts. Let's explore how to effortlessly capture the essence of trends and transform captivating AI-generated images into dynamic videos. This is tailor-made for those ready to dominate the digital landscape with minimal fuss and maximum flair. I know you've wondered how some creators seem to make viral videos effortlessly. Well, guess what? It's not as complex as it seems, especially when AI enters the scene. It's easy to think you're at a disadvantage without the latest trends at your fingertips, but here's a secret. The real game changer isn't just about catching trends. It's about how you organize and execute your content. And for that, AI is your best friend. So, here's how we nail it. First up, we hunt down those keywords. While I'd love to snag the latest from ChatGPT, their dataset hasn't been updated since 2021, and sometimes it's about being a bit of a trend detective. We take a snapshot from a hit video, feed it into Midjourney, and let it do its magic, serving us a platter of keywords ripe for the picking. This isn't just about following trends, it's about setting them. With these keywords, we can go to Midjourney's gallery, picking out artworks that speak our theme's language. It's a bit like treasure hunting, except our map is the AI's brain, guiding us to the goal. You probably think turning static images into captivating video content was something only professional video editors can do. Well, think again. The idea of syncing images to music, layering motivational effects, adding a voiceover, and choosing the right filters might sound daunting, but here's a game changer. AI simplifies the entire process, turning what used to be a headache into a walk in the park. Welcome to Bool Video, where your images transform into cinematic masterpieces with just a click. Picture this. You upload your chosen AI-generated images, and like magic, they're stitched together into a video that's almost ready to hit the spotlight. No muss, no fuss. Click the link in the description if you're looking to get a bit more hands-on. Choose your video's purpose, select the right mood, upload your images, and toggle Bool's built-in AI voiceover. Add the carefully selected prompt into the mix, and watch as the AI brings your vision to life. Suddenly, you're not just creating content, you're crafting experiences. And just when you think it couldn't get any better, here's the kicker. Starting is as easy as clicking a link. No experience? No problem. This is your invitation to jump on board and see where this journey takes you. I stumbled on a little secret that's a game changer for anyone aiming to go viral. It turns out the key to catching eyes on platforms like YouTube isn't just about having slick content, it's about how you kick things off. That's right, those first few moments are golden. So how do we nail it? Stick around, because I'm about to unveil a straightforward yet revolutionary approach that's all about maximizing impact without needing a Hollywood budget. You're probably wondering how you can grab viewers' attention without access to exclusive, high-budget clips. Well, the answer is simpler and more accessible than you might think. It all boils down to leveraging what we've got in a smart, creative way. Imagine transforming static images into dynamic, engaging clips that hook your audience from the get-go. Here's the catch, though. While it sounds straightforward, the magic is in the execution. Finding the right content that can hold someone's gaze in those crucial first seconds isn't just about luck, it's about strategy. And yes, there's a method to this madness, one that doesn't necessarily require digging through endless archives of copyright-free footage. Welcome to Runway, a place where static images come to life, creating that must-watch allure in just 4 seconds. Imagine having the power to turn simple photos into captivating video snippets with just a few clicks. You get 80 seconds of free credit right off the bat. That's enough to spice up your next 20 videos. But we're not stopping there. Bool Video steps in to polish your masterpiece, offering tools to seamlessly swap in your viral clip, adjust sizes, and even add a dash of flair with filters and stickers. Struggling with clarity? No worries. Bool Video's AI comes to the rescue, ensuring your video is nothing short of captivating. Now, who's ready to capture hearts and minds without ever hitting the swipe away zone? Let's make those algorithms work for us. All right, let's transform your script into something that grabs attention from the get-go, keeps viewers hooked, and ends on a note that makes them want to dive straight into action, or in this case, video creation. Now, you're probably thinking, there's no way it's that easy to make a killer video. Oh, but it really is that simple. Imagine cutting down your video production time to mere minutes, all while keeping your content fresh and engaging. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. While whipping up a video in no time is awesome, there's a sea of creators out there all vying for the spotlight. Dive into using ChatGPT and suddenly you're swimming in familiar waters with 1,000 others. Pump out a video a day and you're part of a massive wave of 30,000 stories a month. How do you stand out when the plots start to feel a little recycled? That's where the twist comes in. Instead of getting lost in the shuffle, it's time to innovate with viral art. Picture this: a daily dive into a fresh gallery of AI artwork that keeps your content as unique as your fingerprint. Next step, launch those masterpieces across Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and watch your growth skyrocket. Here's the kicker. My first video took 15 minutes to create, but once I got the hang of it, I churned out 29 more in the next 30 minutes. Talk about efficiency. So, while yes, social media might be teeming with creators all tapping into AI, remember, it's not just about the tool, it's how you use it. With the right strategy, you're not just another creator, you're a trendsetter. Ready to revolutionize your YouTube journey without ever stepping in front of a camera or picking up a microphone? The path to your transformation begins with Tube Secrets. The barrier between you and making $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 a month on YouTube isn't about being on camera or having the perfect voice. Imagine unlocking a strategy so powerful it allows you to thrive on YouTube while staying completely behind the scenes. If you're still struggling to break through, wondering how to make significant income without revealing your identity, you're not alone. This is your moment. For a limited time, dive into Matt Parr's training for an astonishing 90% off, exclusively through my link in the description. Discover the secrets to earning up to $30,000 a month on YouTube without showing your face or using your own voice. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the link now and step into the realm of possibilities where your YouTube success story begins without showing your face.